bit more from my backyard buddies here. And yes, this is just house sparrows or English sparrows. I don't think they're song sparrows. Based on the bars over the eyes, it's slightly different. This stuff is here constantly. She's just ground feeding right now. Maybe it's a male, I don't know. But I'm waiting for the yellow rump warblers and my little sweetheart titmice. They are just the cutest little guys. And the black-cap chickadees. We have a Carolina chickadee and a black-cap chickadee, and of course the Carolina wren that visits every so often. Where'd you go, guys? Okay. And here comes another bold mourning dove. They don't get flustered by much. Unfortunately, they get taken down by cats very easily because they are so nonchalant. They're not particularly alert. Here comes a whole trio of mourning doves. Aren't they darling? They're going to be cleaning up the porch for me, as well as this little sparrow. And this one sparrow on the feeder is just so persistent. Oops. Let me see if I can get a better view before he or she takes off. I can't determine gender with sparrows so much because they're all relatively dull in color. Drab, I should say. I think the brown and gray is gorgeous, but that's just my opinion. Hey there. I just hope the wrens, or the finches come back. The warblers, I love those. Oops. Alright, thank you for visiting. Come back anytime. There's plenty to eat here. Oh, they're just so precious. Thank you, Lord, for them. They just give me so much peace. They just afford my heart comfort and joy and peace. And I love them very, very much.